Good afternoon, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss the chapter Linear Equation in Two Variables, worksheet 4.1. Before we start this worksheet, first of all, what do you mean by the linear equation in the standard form? The linear equation is the equation which has a degree, which contains the variable, and the degree of the variable is equal to 1. That is the linear equation in two variables. And in the linear equation, first of all, what do we mean by linear equation in one variable? So linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here the degree of the variable is equal to 1. Now in this class we will do the linear equation in two variables, and the linear equation in two variables in the standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b both are not equal to 0, and the degree, two variables are here and the degree of the variables is equal to 1 here, and a b c, all the three, they belongs to real number. They are the real number. And what do you mean by real number? Real number is a combination of both rational as well as irrational numbers. ठीक है, तो that is the linear equation in two variables. And now the worksheet 4.1, first question is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in the variable to represent this statement. In this chapter we have two variables of linear equation, x and y. So in this case we will assume the cost of notebook and the cost of pen both. So let the cost of a notebook is equal to rupees x and cost of a pen is equal to rupees y. Now the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So according to question, the cost of a notebook, and notebook we have assumed that the cost of notebook is equal to x, and the cost of a notebook is two times the cost of a pen, and the cost of a pen is y. So x is equal to 2y, and x minus 2y is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard form. The standard form of the equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now the second sum. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c each. First question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. So 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard form, and standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. You have to take the signs also, because the standard form of the linear equation in the positive signs only, so you have to take the signs also. C is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Second sum is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard form, and the standard form is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 upon 5, and c is equal to minus 10. Third question, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 6. In this worksheet you have to complete these questions, and you have to write only the equation in the standard form and write the values of a, b, c only. ठीक है, तो बाकी पार्ट जो हैं वो आप खुद करेंगे. 7th और 8th पार्ट देखिए. y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here the x variable is missing, so coefficient of y is equal to 1. y minus 2 minus 0 is equal to 0. a is equal to 1. A is equal to y minus 2 is equal to 0. This y minus 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard form, that is 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, and here compare it with the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to -2 here. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट है आपका लास्ट पार्ट, दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 इज इक्वल टू 2x. 5 इज इक्वल टू 2x. ठीक है, तो 5 इज इक्वल टू 2x. सो 2x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, and here y variable is missing, so you can write it in the standard form as 2x plus 0 y minus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to -5 है. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आपने करनी है ये फर्स्ट वर्कशीट. थैंक यू.